Between backyards and around businesses, fence erectors put up fences to divide properties, contain animals, and create privacy or security. Fence erectors typically have the skills needed to put up and repair a variety of fences, from white picket fences to chain link topped with barbed wire. They often start by discussing customers' needs and preferences and providing cost and project time estimates. Fence erectors measure and lay out fence lines, dig trenches and post holes, make rails, and assemble gates. The variety of materials means fence erectors perform basic carpentry and welding, as well as mixing and pouring concrete. On a daily basis, these workers use hand and power tools that can be hazardous, so fence erectors wear safety equipment and protective clothing and must follow safe practices to prevent injuries and accidents on the worksite. Fence erectors typically work 40 hours or more per week. Positions typically require a high school diploma or equivalent.